What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. So my buddy Bronzy told me about this car, and at first I wasn't really sure. Like, I didn't believe him. He said this car has been in a storage container, like a semi-truck trailer, for it's been like 11 years. It's crazy. And I was like, dude, I got to see this car. He's like, he's restoring it. You know, his mom loves the car, all this. I was like, man, I've never seen this before. I was like, I got to check it out. So believe it or not, we're going to check this car out, and I'm dying to see what this thing looks like. Alright, guys, it's supposed to be out back. Oh, I see it already. I see it already. Dude, okay, I'm ready for this. I think I'm ready for this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my God.
There you have it.
Dude, you weren't kidding.
Yes.
You were not kidding.
Yes.
Holy crap, dude, man.
Yes.
It's just like years and years of dust.
You talk about the ultimate, I guess you would say, barn.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
I mean, my God, dude. Look how thick the dust is. And you said it was like a tractor trailer, like a container?
It's sat in a sea container for 10 years.
Oh my
God. A tractor trailer. Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's man, so how did y'all get it out of there? Would you have to
We had to hook it up to a forklift and some straps and pull it out the back of the trailer.
Wow. I'm guessing the tires didn't have any air when you tried to pull it out.
Right.
Gee, man, the ponies are white. They look perfect.
And we cleaned the ponies. The ponies are really clean.
They look great, yeah.
Great condition.
You know what's crazy is it doesn't look like they were like rattle canned. It looked like they were...
They're factory white.
Man.
Yep, factory white.
Oh, it looked like the mirror took a little...
Actually, this broke coming out the sea container.
Oh, no.
Because the wheels, it caught coming out, so...
Oh, well.
Yeah.
Is what it is here. I'm gonna get a little...
See if we can get some light.
Yeah. I think I can use my phone. Oh, yeah, there we go. Shoot, yeah. Oh, man.
Yeah.
But you could tell this car was clean.
Yeah.
You started dusting it off a little bit. Yeah, I mean, all the paint really looks great underneath it.
Yeah.
Like they did the orange letters. And...
Got the Tennessee sticker.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh, yeah.
But, man, white top, triple white.
Triple white.
Which we'll show you all the interior. We're going to show you everything because this thing is crazy. But you got to just, like, look how thick the dust is on this thing.
Mm-hmm.
Got the original cheese graters.
Yep.
Gotta love that. Man, maybe lowered a little bit. I don't know. It doesn't. It's not sitting up crazy
It's not
high.
sitting up like you would think a regular Fox set.
Yeah. It looks good though. I mean, it's like triple white, dude. This is 90s all day.
Oh yeah. I already got Flowmasters on.
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna hear it too.
Oh yeah.
I'm excited. I can't believe you actually got it to start. That's the crazy part. We're gonna freaking fire this thing up. It's gonna be. I'm so excited. Oh man, looks like the windshield took a little hit.
Yep, that's already ordered.
Okay, sweet.
They'll be here Tuesday to install it.
Man, well, cool. Let's go to the hood then and check this thing out. I'm gonna check this thing out, and I guess the story was the guy had kind of fixed it up a little bit. Was trying to
started making it a show car and kind of lost interest in it and put it in a sea container to keep it and come back and work on it later, and he just totally forgot about it.
This never happened. And guys, don't hate, because this is old school. This is what people...
Oh, that was in back then.
Yeah, I mean, that's what you did back then. You know, you had to get after it with some colored wire loom and...
Oh, yeah.
But the cool thing is you can easily get that back off and make it look, you know, cherry. But it's all here, dude. Like, date-coated wires. It's got 1990 wires on it.
Oh, wow.
But it doesn't have an airbag. That's crazy. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's the original plug wires, got the original boot. I mean, dude, it doesn't get any better than this.
Oh, yeah.
All the smog.
Yep.
So when you got it, it wouldn't run when you got it. Okay, like what was the order of business as far as getting this thing to?
Okay, well, first of all, we found out that the fuel pump wasn't working.
That figures.
And went to turn the key, didn't hear any fuel noise. The fuel pump running, so we dropped the fuel tank. Come to find out, the fuel tank was rusted out.
Oh my God.
And the fuel pump in there had completely rusted, so we had to put a new fuel pump and a new fuel tank on it. So we got that swapped out. Then went to fire it up, come to find out the fuel filter needed to be swapped out, so I swapped that out. Then we had a bad fuel line that leaked after that. So, and now we're at the point to where it's ready to run.
Wow. And that's just what you're gonna expect when you got a car that's been sitting this long. Yep. I mean, you just what's gonna happen? So it will start now.
Oh yeah.
All right, dude, I gotta hear this thing. I'm dying. This is crazy, guys. No way. And idles like a champ too. I mean,
after 10 years of sitting.
That is crazy.
Oh, yeah.
It runs great. All right, I gotta get back here. I want to hear the Flow Masters. Oh yeah, we gotta hear the old school Flow Masters, y'all. Wow, you can tell it's been bad.
Oh yeah.
So have you tried to put it in gear yet? Will it run? It'll move? Wow.
Actually further back.
Oh well, okay. You know, these AODs, they don't like to sit either, but man, if it's the AOD's still working, you got something for sure.
Yeah.
All right, guys, you know we got to see the interior. They've actually already gotten started getting this cleaned up, but you can see, like, this is what the seats did. This is the one that y'all haven't cleaned, right?
Right. We haven't cleaned this one.
But look at...
Truthfully, that one hadn't been cleaned either.
Oh, has it not? Okay.
So I'll give it one to big.
They're not horrible. I mean, they got a little bit of staining, and then this is the driver's seat here. You see, this car was in really good shape when it sat. That is crazy. And there's some of the trim there. All right, let's kind of take a peek in here, guys. Yeah, you guys, this is original. They did do this back in the day. They did the black and the white, the gray and the white. Let me get you some light here. But it is dirty. Obviously, it's going to be a little dirty, but it says 49,807. I'm going to say it. Probably is. Dude, I'm probably gonna say this is probably a 49,000 mile car. Just judging from everything I can see. This is wild. Looks like dude got some mildew and stuff. It's like, had a little stereo in it, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, just the back seat. Oh my god.
The seat we pulled out and been cleaning on. And
wow. That's cleaning up really nice.
Yeah. Should have seen it before. People.
I can imagine. Well, I see the upside. I see the top. It's like, jeez. Yeah, all the flat spots looks like mice and stuff probably got on, but had a little stereo system in it. This is crazy. You know what's wild too? This is saying 8 of 89, so it is a 25th anniversary car. But you can see, guys, right there on the pony on the dash. It's a 25th anniversary car, but it's got 1990 coated wires on it, which is kind of cool. This is amazing. Don't see them like this every day. Alright, let's see what we got back here. Oh, okay, yeah, you went ahead and pulled all the trim out. I see, yeah. Yeah, no rust. I mean, this thing is solid. I think might have had some squirrels living in there at some point. I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, it's all there, dude. And that's solid, man. I mean, that's
the main thing I was looking for, trying to see if there was any rust in it. I couldn't find any.
Yeah. That's wild. It looked like it had a stereo in it at some point. Did he take it all out? Or?
Yeah, it was all
yeah.
gone.
Man.
Now, he told me he actually won a car show at Union University years ago.
Huh.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
His wife was a student there. She actually won.
Jeez. That's amazing. Original cheese graters in perfect shape too. Right. It's like you don't see that.
Show a little horse on this. Oh yeah, 25th anniversary.
Yeah. What you know? What's crazy? I was just talking about that. It's got 1990 date coded wires, but it's listed at 8 of 89 as the build date. But I'm guessing they're gonna go ahead and call it a 90. But what makes that crazy is it doesn't have an airbag. So it's like, is it an 89 or is it a 90? That's pretty wild. Yeah, something. But man, guys, you can just see it's been sitting so long. That is crazy. Lots happened since this thing's seen some light.
Goal is to have it ready by
Ford Tank. Oh yeah. Hey guys, I'm telling you right now, we're gonna be back. We're gonna have another kind of a before and after. Maybe we'll do some we'll take it out to the shop and do some projects too. I mean, who knows? You know what we're end up needing to do. Now the top, I'm assuming is original. It's not horrible.
Yeah, that's the original top. Yeah.
I mean, it's got some spots, but I mean, it's not like it's falling apart.
Right.
Ooh, cool. All right, guys, just to show you guys that this AOD is actually still functional, which is pretty crazy, sitting that long. AODs don't like to sit. See him do? Oh, he's got, yeah. It's, like I said, guys, AODs don't like to sit, but this one is actually still functional, which is pretty crazy. A lot of times they'll gum up. It starts up great. That is wild. There's reverse. Look at it. Ah. Wow. And drive. Man. Dude, that is too much, man. That is too much. I can't believe it.
Oh, man.
Whew. Yeah, it's probably a little sticky. Damn, looks like something got the hood or oh well, we got those two. We can bring this one back to life.
Oh yeah.
Some TLC and new headlights and stuff, man. This thing can clean up.
It's gonna be nice.
Yeah, it's like the official 1990s cruising, like the Vanilla Ice, like yeah.
Vanilla Ice, yeah. Vanilla Ice.
This may very I'm not gonna go there, but yeah, this could be the car for the video. The Ice Baby car right here. Yeah. But I mean that was what people did. I mean that's
yep.
That's what you especially doing the wheels in white. I mean that was it's crazy. All the color match stuff that was big back in the days.
Yep.
All right, boys. So there you go. I hope you enjoy this. This is we all love barn finds, guys. I mean, seeing something like this that's been sitting for so long, it's amazing. It's exciting pulling out. And again, we'll be back showing this car off in its new lease on life. Gonna be looking good. The official 90s roller right here. Get some new parts for it and get it back together. So dude, I appreciate y'all letting me come over and check this out, as always. And we're gonna be back, and we're gonna see this car like all revived, clean, and just looking like it did back in the 90s again. It's gonna be way too cool.
Oh yeah.
Cannot wait.
With our hair in the wind.
Exactly. Well, I ain't got really much of that anymore. All right, guys, so there you go. If you love barn finds, especially when they're this cool, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and keep it tuned right here. I definitely will have updates on this bad boy.